Biological timing is a central feature of all living things. Humans, plants, animals, insects, even single-celled life forms are all driven by this natural internal process. It helps us and all life forms to keep track of time passing, and by doing this we can keep ourselves alive by doing things like eating and sleeping at the right times. It also allows us to change ourselves in response to changes in the world around us. This ability helps us to stay alive longer and to be as healthy as possible. This ability to track time comes from within us, from our body's biological clock or body clock, which helps us to work out what is happening around us. For example, our body clock can be affected by light or darkness. These can make our body think it's time to sleep or to wake up. Your body clock also lets your body know when to do things like eat, warm up or cool down, get more liquids inside or lose some liquids. Your body clock works by lots of timers like alarm clocks inside us. These go off at different times and control many internal processes inside our bodies. These processes keep our bodies going and tell them what to do, from the basic things that keep us alive, to how we develop and repair ourselves, to our behaviour. We are just starting to understand how important this ability to keep track of time and use this to adapt to changes in our surroundings is. It affects whether we get ill, and if we do get ill, how bad it is, and how quickly we can get well, or whether we die. Our research is helping us to understand how our bodies use their clocks and timers to respond well to all the many different bits of information we get given all the time. We have learned that things going wrong with our clocks can lead to many illnesses, including heart problems, brain problems, mental health problems, cancer, and many more. The University of Manchester is home to the largest biological timing research community in Europe. We bring together extremely skilled researchers across many different areas of science to help learn more about how our internal clocks work, and by doing this help work out how to prevent and treat problems with our bodies. To find out more about biological timing at Manchester, please visit the website. My name is Sarah Barton and I work for the Strategic Funding Team in FBMH.